Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website homedecorfinder.com. I'm on the home page and I really love the above the fold area. It's nicely optimized for the conversion. There is tagline, call to action linked to your collections, which is perfect. The top menu is nicely organized. You've got shop all, call to action here, promotional information, which is absolutely perfect. Collection list. Consider optimizing the title to be more SEO friendly. You can add something like household items, homeware items, home decor. So it gives Google more information as to what is your niche and obviously improve your SEO. The hero images look great. They are linked. Remember to add calls to action to all of those elements to prompt people to click and shop. It will further improve your store navigation and conversion rate. The footer also looks great. There's additional navigation here, social media links, so that's perfect. As I clicked on your Instagram, I noticed you haven't got any posts yet, so it can make an impression that perhaps the business is no longer active, is no longer operating, so that can affect sales. So if you are not posting on Instagram yet, consider removing it from the website because when someone clicks it and sees there's no post, it can put them off shopping, can put them off buying because they don't know if someone will be there to process the order. Also remember to open those social media links and all external links in new tab so you don't lose valuable traffic from your website. When I clicked on Shop All, I was taken to various dropshipping items. They look completely different than the items you were showing on the homepage. The homepage looked quite stylish, had plenty of stylish items. So think about organizing your product so you show those items first when someone clicks Shop All. Otherwise, it can give an impression that you are showing completely different products on a home page, and then you've got different products for sale, which can definitely affect your conversion rate and sales. The product page looks great. I love the stylish images, very nice. And the consider reducing the area that those variants take. Consider reducing, making it smaller because they take a lot of space above default. Pushing add to cart, which is the most important for your conversion rate, pushing it down the page, it almost disappears because it's overwhelmed by those options. So good way of displaying those variants is through drop down menu, so they can take only a bit of space here, and when someone clicks it, additional options appear. And the same with color, so it will display the add to cart button higher and it will have more prominence on the page. Also remember to have unique product descriptions. It will help your SEO with unique written content, and it will help your sales because people will be able to find out more about the item and to see that you have spent some time describing the product, which will further improve your sales. Also remember to add related products to the product page, so it improves your navigation. People can click to other items and browse your store this way. Don't have to click back and forth to see more of your products. The About Us page looks great. Remember to optimize it better for the conversion and for sales. This link is not hyperlinked, so remember to activate those kind of links. Add SEO-friendly hashtags, add your image, and obviously optimize the Google snippets, meta title, and meta description as well. The contact us page looks great. Consider maybe reducing the number of fields because the less fields you ask people to fill in, it feels like application to university, this kind of contact us form. So ask about only basic details like name, email address, and the message, because otherwise people will feel that they need to go through all of these details, put their address, company name just to contact you, which will definitely affect how people contact you and affect any inquiries, any potential sales. Your SEO score is 46 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet is not optimized. Your meta title is just a URL, and the meta description is too short. So remember to make the full, use the full allowance of the meta title and meta description to stand out in search results better, because this Google snippet is displayed in Google search results. You're missing H1 tag, which is normally assigned to the page title, so remember to add it and use the tags in the right order. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Don't skip between different tags. And also work on your keyword consistency, optimize your content to rank for the best performing keywords for your niche. And remember to optimize images with SEO-friendly alt tags. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.